Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes po. Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Don't have, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Malaysia, ma'am, is same time in here in Philippines.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Michi Kajenti. I am 32 years old. I live in Negros Oriental.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am, but I have two kids.
You are a single mother. You have boyfriend or no?
No, ma'am.
How many children? Two. How old are those children?
12 years old saka 8 years old.
When is your birthday?
October 10, 1992.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'8" and my weight is 75.
You are 5'8". Are you sure?
Yes po.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic, Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm graduate Bachelor of Secondary Education.
What happened? Why you wanted to come and work here as a domestic helper?
Uh, I don't have not a pass or board exam.
Okay. So you know that working as a domestic helper is very tough job, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot
100%.
simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family. This is a 2 years contract.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kids later knowing that you are a single mother?
My parents,
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
my parents both is senior citizen.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have seven sisters. Five girls and two boys. I'm the
What is your
youngest,
rank in your family?
ma'am.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
I'm the youngest, ma'am.
You are the youngest. Do you have any
Yes,
working experience as a housemaid?
yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
In somewhere in Pampanga.
How many years you worked there?
2 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working?
I started January 2023 to my end contract is January 2025.
What is your job responsibilities to your previous
Uh,
employment in Pampanga?
my main duties is cleaning the house, ironing, laundering, and tutor her kids
How
and
old is
grocery.
the child?
My child is tutoring is 7 years old.
One only?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you cook there?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided not to continue working with this employer? Of course, you finish your contract.
Finish contract, ma'am.
So your employer didn't ask you to extend.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So as I have mentioned a while ago and many times, you need to get ready yourself, most especially this is your first time working abroad. Homesickness will frequently attack you. Yeah, how will you gonna handle it later?
For me, ma'am, focusing my work, ma'am, to be distract myself.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is no joke, it's quite big. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. Filipino food.
But are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I love pets.
As I have mentioned many times, okay, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours also, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. Yeah, if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. You can be the boss in the Philippines, but don't bring here in Malaysia. We need to humble ourselves at the same time.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will give you a scenario. What will you do if the employer keep on following you? Like for example, you are cleaning the house. Anywhere, everywhere inside the house, employer keep on following you. What will you do?
I'll just focusing my work, ma'am.
You just focusing on your work. You will not answering him back or you will not get annoyed?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Bye po.